Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Tricky Maths Part 59. This is just another video containing a very interesting puzzle that I thought you might like. How is this possible? Larry was born in 1964 and died in 1998. He was 70 years old when he died. So that's your puzzle. You've got to work out how is that possible. A little hint down the bottom. Try and figure out how the above information could make sense. A clue will be given on the next slide in a few minutes. So please don't go to the next slide just now. See if you can work it out yourself, and I promise in a couple of minutes I'll go to the next slide and give you some clues. Okay, I'll go to the next slide now. This will just give you a clue. It just might give you a little bit of direction. Here we go. Rather than think of 1964 and 1998 as year of birth and year of death, try and work out if those numbers might have another meaning. So possible answers will be given on the next slide in a few minutes. So again, with that little clue, if you haven't got the answer yet, try and think how that statement is possible. So don't go to the answers yet, because I promise in a few minutes I will go to the next slide and reveal the answers. Okay, let's now reveal the answers. It'll be interesting to see how you went. Possible answers. Excuse me. 1964 and 1998 could be house numbers. So in other words, he could have been born in a house which had the number 1964. And many, many years later, when he was 70, he could have died in a different house which had this house number. The other possibility is that 1964 and 1998 could be hospital rooms. So he could have been born in a hospital room with that number and died in a hospital room with that number. Can you think what else those numbers could mean? I really hope you enjoyed this puzzle, and I enjoy giving these puzzles because they encourage you to think laterally or outside the box. Sometimes they can be very challenging, but they can be very, very satisfying if you really work hard and try and find the answer.